Hi guys, today there's a fantail in the house and I'm pretty sure in the Modi legend, fantails bring death or something like that.
The baby just died.
Exactly. So maybe it knew that. Did it go out? No, I can hear it. Why is she screaming? Guys, she's the most dramatic beast. I think the bird likes her hair as a nest. Glory, go.
I'm gonna change. You need to leave, you pedophile.
No. Yes, you did. No. I can see it. That's why your mom said your eye is white.
No, I just didn't know.
You fucking see on.
I just didn't know.
I can't tell you.
Tina? She doesn't even know because I hit it.
Guys. This girl is addicted to phones, so I stole it off
really
her.
Good video, and I don't know it's the worst history. So.
Good.
The Descendants video. Yeah.
You stupid bitch! I almost dropped my phone.